Why is the sky blue? I'm pretty sure I asked my parents this when I was little, and they told me that it was because water is blue, and the color of the sky was due to the reflection of the water? Something like that. I kind of just accepted this as fact for a shockingly long time, but this is really not true. So let's answer this question that every 3-year-old has asked themselves at one point or another. Why is the sky blue? The sky is blue because of an effect called Rayleigh scattering. Scattering happens when air molecules in the Earth's atmosphere redirect electromagnetic radiation emitted from the sun from its original path. Rayleigh scattering happens when the molecules are very small compared to the wavelength of the radiation, and is the dominant form of scattering that takes place in the upper atmosphere. The sun emits a whole spectrum of electromagnetic radiation, some of which is visible to our eyes in the form of light. The part of the electromagnetic spectrum that we can see is, visible light, and is comprised of radiation that has a wavelength of between about 400 to 800 nanometers. We see 400 nanometer wavelengths as the color violet or blue, while we see 800 nanometer wavelengths as the color red. Rayleigh scattering is way more effective at scattering shorter wavelengths than longer ones, so blue light gets scattered more. Meanwhile, the other light sticks together and we perceive it as white. Because blue light is getting scattered more, we see more of it, and it's this that makes the sky blue. It has nothing to do with water. Sometimes, when the air is super polluted with larger molecules, like dust and whatnot, the sky appears reddish, yellowish, orange. This is because the larger molecules scatter more of the longer wavelengths, so we see more red, yellow, and orange. That's why the sky is blue, but sometimes not.